In a world of ongoing volatility, uncertainty and complexity, you'll find Crown Agents teams on the ground tackling some of the greatest challenges of our time. Working in 101 countries with delivery offices in 22 countries, we reach over 108 million people every year. Currently, we're pouring efforts into responding to the humanitarian crisis in Ukraine.
I'm standing at the border of Ukraine and Poland in a place called Kachova. The refugees behind me are getting on buses to get to Warsaw. It is absolutely freezing and many of them have trekked for days.
Having worked in the country for 25 years and been embedded in the Ministry of Health Ukraine, our teams are working out of Kyiv, Lviv, Poland and Slovakia to rapidly get emergency medical supplies to remote parts of the country many others cannot reach. When the COVID-19 pandemic broke out, we also scaled up, supporting over 45 countries in their response and delivering 5.9 million COVID-19 vaccines across the world to locations as remote as Pitcairn and Antarctica. Crown Agents believes in accelerating global prosperity, and we will continue supporting governments to enhance their systems and meet the needs of their citizens. From ensuring over 1 million people in Myanmar receive humanitarian assistance, to working to electrify 10,000 health facilities in sub-Saharan Africa through solar power, from reaching 70 million people with mass drug administrations to treat neglected tropical diseases, to clearing 40,000 metric tons of rubble and remnants of war from public spaces and schools in Syria. Supporting 32 countries across Africa, Asia and Latin America to develop tools and analyses and gain access to financing to enable them to respond to climate change. To working to provide 6.6 million people in Zimbabwe with better healthcare through a results-based financing system. Saving the government of Ghana $78 million a year through value for money audits. Retrofitting 97 classrooms in Nepal to make schools safer for 4,135 children. Crown Agents stands behind the vulnerable and is working to accelerate the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals. We stand ready to use our experience, strong networks and widespread capabilities to take on the inevitable global challenges that lie ahead.